this time, and 6 are in critical condition.
The explosion happened around 5 p.m. this afternoon at the Centerville Mall as the children gathered around the holiday Santa display. No suspects are in custody at this time,
as the investigation is still underway.
Close. I was pretty damn close. Too close for my liking.
Here's what I saw. There was this guy, and he was dressed as Santa Claus, and he was handing out presents to kids. Every little kid that was there. I heard a commotion, and I saw security leading the guy out, and then bam! There was an explosion right there. Holy shit.
Is in effect for Miles County. Extreme terrorist alert. Immediate action required. Vulnerable populations include Miles County, New York. If your area has been mentioned, pay attention. Law enforcement is currently seeking a dangerous individual, described as the Miles County Clown, wanted in connection with multiple murders. The suspect was last seen wearing a St. Nicholas costume and is believed to be the perpetrator of the Miles County Mall attack earlier this week. Individual may also be wearing a black and white clown costume. This individual is considered extremely dangerous. If you see anyone matching any of these descriptions, do not approach. Call local authorities immediately. Remain vigilant. Secure your homes. And be aware of your surroundings. Local law enforcement officers will be on high alert and will be on standby for any and all calls regarding the individual. Do not go outside after sunset until further notice. Unless a severe emergency is underway, all channels will remain on this alert until further notice. Thank you for your cooperation.